Zonke izinsuku ukusa kubonwa uMohlala oneminyaka engama-35 odayisa izinhlobonhlobo zekhofi namagukumba emgwaqeni uGreyston Drive eSandton. Uthi lokhu kwakuyiphupho lakhe njengoba ayeka umsebenzi enkampanini ayengomunye wabaphathi kuyo.
It came more over as a dream. I don't normally sleep during the day, but on times that I did, I had this recurring dream that actually kept on coming for me. Then I decided either chase the dream or sleep on the dream. Then hence I am where I am today.
Amakhasimende akhe awuncoma kakhulu umsebenzi wakhe. Athi kulamakhekhe nekhofi awusinike singaboni.
Wow, Mr. Matala sells marvelous cookies in the mornings. We always get to try we have it with drink, with coffee. We really appreciate it, and then it's marvelous.
In the economy that we live in, we don't have enough jobs. So the fact that he's trying something for himself, and no one sells coffee here. And with the traffic, once the robots are closed, that's the time where you can actually grab a cup instead of going through to McDonald's, which takes more time.
Kodwa ke bukhona ubungozi kulomsebenzi awenzayo.
It's a very busy road. Taxis are moving on the yellow line, and even on the middle, it becomes difficult for us to work. I mean, we need safety shoes, but they are heavy to run with. But if you can be run over by a car or something like that, it's dangerous. Hence, we have the reflectors so that we are visible on the road.
uMohlala uthi unesifiso sokuthola amaphepha amgunyazayo ukuba adayise ukuze ibhizinisi lakhe lizokhula. Njengamanje leli bhizinisi lakhe ulibiza ngokuthi umherezo, okusho ukuthi ihlanganisa noma zama impilo.